Hello and welcome back to the Volume Vegan Cooking Channel. Time for cookies! I know that any time is a good time for a chocolate chip cookie, but when I thought about leaving cookies out for Santa, this classic is what came to mind. We're going to do Santa a solid though, and we're going to leave out some of the sugar and lighten up on the calories. He can use all the help he can get considering all of the cookies he has to taste tonight. Get out a mixing bowl and a baking sheet, and let's get started. Preheat that oven to 375. I'm going to put my dry ingredients together first. So we're using oat flour in this recipe. Get started with 2/3 and 1/2 cup of oat flour. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then I just used a whisk to quickly mix all of the dry ingredients together. And now in a separate bowl, I'm going to cream together the wet ingredients, starting with 4 tablespoons of the Truvia brand Zero-calorie, zero sugar, brown sugar substitute. And another 4 tablespoons of the Truvia brand Zero-calorie, zero sugar, regular sugar substitute. I'm adding in 3 tablespoons here of unflavored, unsweetened oat milk, but I did add in another 2 tablespoons later when I thought the dough needed it. I would add them in here if I could turn back time. You add in 5. That's my advice. 5 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I really do need to work on how I shoot myself cooking, but right now I'm holding the camera to show you the steps, and I could not use my hand mixer with just one hand. I did use my hand mixer to mix all of the wet ingredients down so that the sugar is really blended in. And then I added my dry ingredients to the wet, because that's in the larger bowl. I worked the dough together for a bit until it was pretty combined, and then I folded in 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. And this is what it looked like just before I was getting ready to start making cookie balls. I ended up making 14 balls of cookie dough from that batch, kind of shaping them into slight coins before laying them on the sheet, leaving them with a little room to expand as they spread. Bake for about 8 to 9 minutes, keeping an eye on them as they get brown, like you would like it around the edges. They smelled so good. My kid was hovering, waiting for that timer to go off. I left them on the counter to cool, and he was waiting to start snatching them straight off the hot pan. I did manage to rescue a few of them for later, and of course, to save a couple for Santa. I hope he understands that we like them a little brown. They're really good. A little crispy, perfect for dunking in milk. So I've left him a little glass of that unsweetened oat milk to enjoy with them. He won't even notice that they're low calorie. Thank you so much for checking out another one of my cooking videos. I hope that it helps when you're thinking of what to put together when you have a cookie moment, be it Christmas related or not. Please like and share my video with your friends. Get in the comments and tell me what you think. And of course, subscribe to my channel while you're here. Turn on those notifications so you never miss another one of my cooking videos. Have a wonderful week. I hope that you eat really good today. And I hope that you have a fantastic holiday week. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.